Known as the Pajero Game in certain business sectors, the Mitsubishi Montero Game, as it is known in the Center East and somewhere else, is an extreme and competent moderate-size SUV that successfully supersedes our more natural Pajero as the Japanese-maker's-led SUV. With bits of gossip about a bigger, more sumptuous impending Nissan Watch-based replacement, generally dissipated until further notice, since long-running Pajero's suspension last year, the Montero Game is supposed to go on as Mitsubishi's biggest SUV for years to come. Yet whether it demonstrates as famous locally and territorially is not yet clear. Exceptional, roomy, agreeable and completely powerful rough terrain, the Montero Game is just barely more modest than the late incredible Pajero, and for most expectations and purposes, competently makes comparative progress. And keeping in mind that it might share body on outline development and a front motor, back drive engineering direction, the Montero Game isn't, truth be told, a subsidiary of the withdrew Pajero. Rather, it is based on an abbreviated and changed stage imparted to Mitsubishi's comparatively well-known 200 lira get truck, and contends with comparably rough truck-based SUVs, like the Nissan Xterra, Toyota Fortuner and Portage Everest, where accessible, comparative in numerous ways. The Montero Game's plan, notwithstanding, drastically varies from the Pajero's upstanding, got-down-to-business and liberal glasshouse plan, and all the more traditionally proportioned position. All things being equal, the Montero Game mirrors Mitsubishi's advanced sharp, wedged and expressively surfaced plan language, most intently looking like its 200 lira contributor. The Montero Game highlights a thick side wrinkle and strong wheel curves, tough and extending in plan and disposition. The more limited Montero Game highlights a more drawn-out wheelbase and more articulated cap and front shade, yet in any case accomplishes a comparative feeling of visual back weight and positive progress, forcing in its presence with its high cap line, thin squinting front lamp and immense profound set running lights. The Montero Game rising waistline, thin, vigorously chrome-plated 3-support grille and huge, lower admission outlined by C-molded chrome highlights, all accentuate the two its level and expansiveness. At the back, a plummeting roofline, tightened rear end and tall thin lights cause to notice the upward plane, situated longitudinally under its tall clamshell hat. The Montero Game is in the interim controlled by a normally suction 3-liter V6 motor and smooth-moving 8-speed programmed gearbox combo for Center East business sectors.